Hi guys. Hi, hello. I know that you all will be fine. You will be all okay. You all doing well. So today I'm going to make a flapjack. That is a very sweet traditional dish in England. It's very nutrition, very healthy. So in that recipe, what we will need, we just did some research. So we need some like a 200 gram of butter, 200 gram light brown sugar, 200 gram golden syrup, 500 rolled oats, which we have. So that all we have here. So that's oats, golden syrup, or brown sugar. We already made some butter here. So we just until it will like mix smoothly, and we will stir that until it will mix all together, and they will be like a it's very nice smooth. Yeah. So after mix it for a while, just a few seconds, like 30 seconds or 45 seconds, then when it's mixed like this, like it's mixed very smooth, and then you will see that it comes very like all mixed very nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some chopped date, because that will becomes like little healthier. So that will be some chopped dates. I'm going to put it now. Now all is nicely. Now I'm going to put this one all here. That one. If you want, you can add more dry fruits like almonds, cashew nut, walnut, or then it becomes very more healthier. Now our base is ready. So I'm going to put this one in oven in aga in top shelf here just for 20 minutes. And also I put some over the top here, the top shelf. It stop burning from the top, so it will be smells very nice and flavor will be very. So we will wait for just 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes we will have a very nice sweet dish. So see you in after 20 minutes. So after all doing this, now it's my time to do washing up. While this, Helen, are you doing this?
Who's doing the washing up?
I can do if you want, Helen. Hey, 20 minutes finished. So now we are going to open this and look how it look like. Wow! Hey! Look at that! Look at the color! It really looks very delicious. We will put it outside and leave it like this, make it cool, then we can eat it, we can try it. Okay?